How do I transfer money from American Express to PayPal?
Hello, digital pioneers. Today, we're going to dive into the world of online transactions and specifically answer the question, how do I transfer money from American Express to PayPal? This is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through it step by step.
What will you need?
Before we start, make sure you have two essential things. 1. Your American Express card details, card number, expiry date, and CVV. 2. Your PayPal account. If you don't have a PayPal account yet, you can create one on the PayPal website. It's fast and free.
How to link your American Express card to PayPal.
Now let's get down to business. The first step is to link your American Express card to your PayPal account. 1. Log in to your PayPal account. 2. Navigate to the Wallet section, located at the top of the page. 3. Click on Link a Card or Bank. 4. Choose the Link a Debit or Credit Card option. 5. Fill in your American Express card details and click Link Card. Now your American Express card is linked to your PayPal account. The amount you spend or send via PayPal will be automatically charged from your American Express card.
How to transfer money from American Express to PayPal balance.
But what if you want to add funds to your PayPal balance from your American Express card? Well, as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, PayPal doesn't allow users to directly transfer funds from a credit card, including American Express, to their PayPal balance. You can only use your linked card to fund payments made through PayPal. If you need funds in your PayPal balance, consider transferring from a linked bank account or requesting money from a friend or family member. For the most updated information, always check with PayPal's current policies on their official website or contact customer support. And there you have it. That's how you can link your American Express card to your PayPal and use it for transactions. While you cannot directly add funds to your PayPal balance from your credit card, having it linked allows for seamless online transactions. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Keep exploring the digital world, and until next time, stay savvy.